Hello, welcome to my video. It's for the week 5 project. All right, so I'm just going to go over to Eclipse. So I started off by creating a logger interface, and I included the methods public void log, takes and string log, public void error, takes and string error. And then I also created two classes, asterisk logger and space logger. So for asterisk logger, I created the public class asterisk logger that implements logger. And then I have two methods in here, log and error. So for the log, I just had it print out date.toString. I wanted to have the date in there, plus a colon, and then a set of asterisks, and then log, and then another set of asterisks. For my error method, I have a few strings here, string pre-asterisk, post-asterisk, and then error message, which I set equal to date.toString, plus a space, plus error, and then the error log. And then I set the width equal to the entire length of the string, which is going to be the pre-asterisk dot length, plus the error message length, plus the post-asterisk length. And then I set the height equal to 3. I set Boolean is error log printed to false. And then I used some for loops and some if-else statements to go through the string, and depending on the row and the column, to print asterisk throughout. At the very end, I set the is error log printed to true. We go over to the space logger, created public class space logger that implements logger. I wanted to include the date as well. Got my two methods in here, log and error. And then I used the string builder to add spaces to the string. Used a for loop to iterate over the length of the string and append a space in between each character. And then I told that to print out. Did the same thing for the error message. Used a for loop to iterate through, append a space. I also created the app class, which is my main class, my main entry point. And in here, because there's two types of loggers, I have asterisk logger and then space logger. And then I passed in different strings. For the asterisk one, I just put, well, and the spaced one, I put today has been a good day. And then for the errors, I just put an unknown error has occurred. And I was able to get all of them to print out correctly. Go here and test it out. You can see that we have today has been a good day with the 3 on each side. And then an unknown error has occurred enclosed in a box. And then my string builder worked correctly, and I have spaces in between here for the spaced logger. And I didn't want to have spaces in the date, so I didn't include the spaces in the date. And yeah, it all seems to work good. So that's all I got for you. So thank you for watching my video.